Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Tinaj Ochieng. Actually guys, someone asked me to do like a video on how to use an electric cooker because I just posted a new cooker here and I just wanted to know. Okay, if you haven't watched that video, it's on my YouTube videos. I don't know, it's on my YouTube videos. You can just go and watch it and then come back and watch this. Okay, so let me guide you guys, let me show you. So guys, this cooker has got 4 burners. This is the first burner, and this one here, it's the first burner. This one is the second burner. This is the third burner, and this is the 4th burner. And now guys, this first burner, it's when you are using a gas, and this one, it's gas. This one is also gas. They are not electric. Now this one is electric. It's like a heater or something. This is electric. It's when like you don't have gas and electricity is just there, you can cook, you don't have to sleep hungry. And then now these are for gas. When there's no electricity and you just want to cook, you use either this or this or that. Okay, I think we are clear from here. And this is a lid. It's a glass lid. We're not using the gas. You just close it like this. That's when you are not using it. Okay, if you are using it, you open it like that, like that. Yeah, are we clear? So we are done on the upper part. I'm showing you like the buttons of these cookers. Okay, now let's come to the buttons. The first button is the timer. Okay, you can rotate it. Like if you are cooking something that requires you to cook it for 40 minutes or 60 minutes, you can just rotate the button, continue rotating, and then 60. When the black button, the K button, you see that K button, it's black. Yes, you see it's at 60. Yeah, but when you need like to cook something that requires 10 seconds oh my god, sorry, 10 minutes, you just do like this. It's at 10. Okay, we are all sorts. Okay, now turn it off. When you turn it off, it's like this. You see? And now the second button, this button, it's for the first burner. This first button is for the first burner. This one, this burner, gas burner. Okay, are we clear guys? This button here, the first button, this one here, it's for the gas burner. Okay, and then are we clear? I don't know. I wish you were there to respond. And this, let's go to the second button. I mean, yeah, that button here. Okay, this one is for the electric cooker. This one here, it's for the electric cooker. This, and before we go to this, actually let me show you how to use this second button here. Okay, you just, if you are turning like on, you just plug in the cable to the socket, turn it on, and come here. There is a starter here. Let me show you. There's a starter here. You just do like this. It will do like the sparks. Tick, tick, tick. I don't know if I'm making sense, okay? Now you can just turn it on like this, okay? Let me show you. It's like this. You see? It's like this. You turn it on, okay? Now we are done from there. This was the button I was talking about. Third one, it's for the electric cooker or electric burner. And where do we find the electric burner? It's here. This is the electric burner here. You can call it a heater. I don't know. It's electric burner. You just come here. It's here. The second one. Why do I keep on saying the second one? It's the third one. You just open it like this. This one you rotate. When you want to add like more heat, you continue rotating like that. Are we clear, guys? And then when you don't want it anymore, like you're just done cooking, you just come here and do like this. You see all buttons are looking at or are pointing, I don't know, at the button here that is black when it's off. Okay, well done. Now come here, fourth button. This button is for temperature, degrees Celsius. It's for temperature. You see it? It's 130 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees Celsius, 225, and then we have 40. I don't know if we are getting it. Now, if you are going to use the oven, this is the oven I'm talking about. It's the oven. Let's say you're using the oven. Let me show you. I don't know. This is the oven. Where? My camera is so bad. Can you guys see the oven? Yeah, this is the oven. We have the lower part of the oven, and then we have the upper part of the oven. Okay? We have the upper one and the lower part. So if you want like heat, this button here, this button, if you want heat to come from both sides, let's say you're baking, or I don't know. Yes, let's say you're baking, you just come like this. Focus, guys, focus. You just come like this. Doing this means like the heat is coming from the upper side and the lower side. Okay? Now you come to the temperature, you add it. Let's say you want like 180, okay? Just do it like that. It's at 180. And let's say you want it at 40 there, and then you want the heat to come from the upper side only, okay? Upper side. You come like this. This is the upper side. This is the upper side. And then if you want the heat to come from the lower side, you just come like this. This is the lower side here. You see the arrow. It's the lower side. Hope we are clear. Okay? I'm trying not to leave something out. Now we come to this button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth one. This now is the gas burner. These are gases, actually. These are gases. You understand? Actually, this is a gas. Focus. I told you the gas burners are 3. When you want to see the gas burner, down here, you can see the difference, okay? This is gas. This is gas. This is oven. This is temperature. This is electric. It doesn't have this thing here. This flame thing or symbol. Now this is gas. This is electric. It doesn't have this symbol. Have you understood, guys? Now let's come to the 6th button, this one. I said this is for gas. You look at this. Now this gas here, the first one, this one here. This is for this one, okay? Now if you want to turn it on, you just come and do this. Oh my god. Oh, my head is spinning. You just do this. This one you don't rotate. You just do it. Do you understand? It's simple. You just do it like this. Okay? Same to this. This is for the other one. This one. Okay? You just do it like this. You hear that? Okay? And now this one here, this is the starter. I told you guys, when the gas is on, these 2 like red buttons zinaka red kabisa. That's when you know the gas is on, okay? Oh guys, niambie kitu sijawaambia chenye nimeacha. This is used to hang your towels, your gloves, I don't know, yes, anything that you want to put here, just hang it here, okay? This is just a mirror. Those are my legs. This is the mirror yenye inaonyesha nini inaendelea uko ndani. If you are baking or nini tena hufanywa kwa oven. I know baking. If you are baking, you just peep. It's peeping through the glass, okay? Now what next? I think we are done. We are done, guys. This gas is from Vaughan. It's high quality. It has a glass lid. You see? It's stainless steel. Guys, my head is spinning. You can see it's stainless steel. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Comment down below what I left out. Nanitai handle in the next video. Okay? I love you guys for your support so far. And continue supporting me. Next time sasa nitaonyesha ikiwa imewaka. Ndio muelewe chenye nasema. Okay? Bye guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. And hope you understood. Okay.